What I learned in my first year of riding, it was a lot. That was not good riding. Bro! Keep calm and buffer. That was not good riding. That's a nice smell. Whew, I love it. Come on, dude. Yeah! I should probably focus on my riding. Hey, how you going? Hope you're good. I got 5 topics for you. Talk about them in brief just to keep the video short. Number 1, there's so many bikes. There's all different kinds of bikes. Just kind of depends what's right for you. Like if you want to get a sports bike, get a sports bike. It's up to you. You're the one who's going to be riding it. If you want a naked bike, like there's a few things you can do. Like if you want a Harley, get a Harley, I guess. Someplace in the world, there's restrictions on what you can get when you're a learner rider. There are here in New South Wales, Australia. But there's still a lot of choice even with those restrictions. Yeah, get a bike that's right for you. You can definitely do things that are gonna make things maybe a little bit easier for you, like a lighter bike. Maybe something that you can flat foot, so you might save it. But there's plenty of options, and there's plenty of riding types as well, different kinds of riding. And that's something I learned. Obviously I knew there was like MotoGP, but there's all kinds of stuff. Street bikes, dirt bikes. It's just, it's a big world. There's a lot. Another thing, the gear. Loads of gear. It's a lot to learn. Obviously, helmet, boots, gloves, jacket, earplugs. Helmet comes with a visor, but you can get glasses. It's a lot, but basically it's kind of like you get what you pay for. Quality stuff's going to last you longer. That was not good riding. I think they call that the dead man's gear or something. Just kind of pulled in the clutch, so you're not in any gear, just coasting. Yeah, I was pretty much going straight, but that was not good riding, because you need to be in A gear so that if you need to do something you can actually get the bike to react. Yes, I did let the clutch out and twist the throttle, but yeah. Off you go, buddy. Bro! Taxi. Stay calm, stay calm. Buffer, stay calm and buffer. You can't keep calm and have a cup of tea. Keep calm and buffer. The taxi has managed to get in behind the car in front. So good job. That's a nice smell. Whew. Hey bro, I don't know how long it's been, 5 minutes or something, but you're still where you were. I love it. You almost ran up the back of me so you could get in front, and we're going to get to the airport at the same time, so yeah. Taxi! Yeah, I am a little nuts. I've heard that most people who ride motorbikes are. See you later, bozo. And he crosses the line first. Another thing, So you do have to do some checks, you really do, just quick ones, you know, tire pressure, check your brakes, your lights, that kind of thing. Super important, you know, there's some stuff you should really be doing every ride, because you won't be riding too often in the beginning. And so yeah, just some basic kind of checks and maintenance, that kind of thing. You can do a little bit of maintenance yourself. I mean, you don't need too many tools, you really don't. You know, obviously you can get loads of different tools, but you don't have to. Just need a few to do a little bit of maintenance yourself. So tools, yeah, you can get a few tools if you want to do a bit of maintenance yourself, but you really don't need that many. If you want to take the bike into the shop, you can. It's just the money side of things, really. But yeah, if you do this stuff yourself, it's a good way to learn. I'm still learning myself. There's just more things I got to pick up, but yeah, it's mainly those little checks before each ride. Tire pressure is a big one, your lights, that kind of stuff. Just check your gear. But hopefully you're finding these topics helpful and they're getting you to think about a few things, and it's going to build your knowledge base and help you make a few decisions, that kind of thing, good decisions. If you want a few more, check out part 3. Hey bro, it's a taxi! Come on dude! Yeah! You can do 100, I'm only allowed to do 90. Is there someone even in there? They've missed their plane, they're going the wrong way. I should probably focus on my riding.